The easiest way to understand the daily bias is to focus on the opening price. If price wants to go lower, price will go higher first to manipulate. If price wants to go higher, price is likely to go lower first to manipulate. So if you are bullish, you need to be looking on your left for a higher time frame point of interest. If you are able to spot a point of interest and it comes to a peak time such as the London Open or the New York Session Open, price on a daily candle will look bearish because it is seeking that point of interest. You will then be able to find a pattern to the upside because you will be under the opening price, which is going to give you the best buys, because price will react from your point of interest and then push to the upside in its direction. And on a daily time frame, it will leave a wick that will look like that. So the trade opportunity would have been under opening price. So this line here indicates the start of a new daily candle. And overall, I am bullish. Now, to get the best trade in a bullish environment, I need price to come lower to then move higher. So I have to look to the left. And what can I find? Areas of imbalance, order blocks. So now all I do is wait. So as you can see, price has come into this order block and then reacted to the upside. So from a daily candle point of view, price opened, retraced lower, and there would have been plenty of buying opportunities inside here. Price then trades higher, leaving behind a wick. If you can trade in direction with the daily time frame, this is going to give you such an advantage in your trading career. And all you have to do prior to the new day is look to your left, find your points of interest on higher time frames.
Here's why 96% of traders fail and how you can join the winning 4%. Step 1. Get the Pips Gravity Mastermind Trading Plan. Links in bio. Inside, you'll learn how to spot market structure shifts so you know exactly when the trend changes. Step 2. Master liquidity and fair value gaps. The same concepts banks use to trap retail traders and take their money. Step 3. Use our tested entry techniques to enter with sniper precision and manage your risk like a pro. And Step 4. Follow our trade management plan to scale up without giving back your profits. Stop trading blind. Start trading with a blueprint. Pips Gravity Mastermind. Your prop firm pass starts here.